Many users like to plan ahead for the week. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set and update your status. Starting from the 3D map, we have a menu on the right-hand side. This is called the feed. There are quite a few different options available for us here, but what we want is booking and status. When we click into that, it will show us all of the bookings and the statuses that we have set for the week. We can scroll across from this week into next week, and we can use the settings icon at the top to set which days we want to view. So if you work part-time or full-time, or even at the weekends, you can set which days you want to be able to see in this menu. Clicking into a day shows you all of the different options available. QuickBook will assign you a desk from the location. It will use intelligence to go through your favorite desks first and seeing if they're available. If they're not, then it will select from one of the available desks in that location. In the office, we'll show you as attending an office, but you don't need a desk booking. This is great for if you're attending meetings or if you're in an all-day workshop. Work from home is fairly self-explanatory. Use that status if you are working from home for the day. Working elsewhere, good for attending customer sites or events. And out of office, a status for if you're on any kind of leave. So I'll quickly set some statuses for this week. Now we've got our different statuses and bookings set, but there are actions that can happen if you click into different types of statuses. For example, we have our desk space here on Monday. If I click into that, I have the option to release the booking. For Tuesday, I've set in the office, and if I click into this, I can see which offices are available if I'm going to a different location, or I can choose to book a workspace or remove the status. If I choose to book a workspace, then I can select from one of the available spaces here. See how my favorites are at the top, followed by all of the others. So let's choose desk 15. It's going to hover over that desk. We can see it highlighted here. I can select it for that date, and I'll confirm that booking. I can look back at that day and see that it has updated from in the office to the desk that I have booked. For working from home, I can choose to change or remove that status. And again, the same for working elsewhere. I could change that status or I could remove it. So if I change it to out of office, for example. Now, any bookings that I make on the map will also appear into this section. So if I go to Wednesday, the 18th, I can easily just hover over a desk and select a booking slot. If I check my bookings and statuses, that booking now appears. For users of the mobile app, the experience is very similar. If we open up the mobile app, we can see in the Home tab all of the bookings and statuses that we've made in the web app. I can tap into them and choose to release desks if I wanted to. And when I tap into a day that has no booking or status made, we'll see the same options available as the web app and the addition of a book a workspace option. When I tap into that, I can easily go through the list of available desks, spaces, zones, and all of the other space types that are available in this location. I can select a space, go through the booking process, make that booking, and my bookings and statuses will update. This is a great option if you're on the go and you don't necessarily have access to the web app. So that is how you can easily add and manage your bookings and statuses through the web app and the mobile app.